Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight we're coming to you from beautiful Highlands County, Florida. We are in the central part of Florida. We are at 8024 Marin Street here in Sebring, Florida. We're in the Sun and Lake Estates community here. Got several golf courses in the area, beautiful new medical facility just up the road. This is a great part of the country here in Sebring, Florida. This lot behind me here is 0.23 of an acre. It's going to be 80 foot across the front here of your paved road, 125 foot down either side, 80 foot across the back. Makes this a 10,000 square foot buildable lot here in beautiful Sun and Lake Estates. The taxes on this property are outstandingly low at $53.44 a year. Unbelievable low carrying costs for this beautiful lot here. It is a well and septic property at this time. You do have a paved road in front of you here. The county does take care of the easements on this property as well. You got power just at the end of the road, probably about 800 yards to the end of the road. There's a beautiful neighbor down there as well. And then probably another 140 foot behind us, you have power on the next block over. You do have a neighbor over there as well. This is considered the newer section of the Sun and Lake Estates area. And this is slowly, the urban sprawl is slowly coming over to this area here. And you'll see that the location on this is outstanding. You got just 5 minutes to our east is US 27. That's your main thoroughfare that runs up and down the state of Florida. You're just 2 minutes from the Sun and Lake Golf Club. Like I said, you could build a home here, get yourself a golf cart, throw your clubs on, and be at the golf course in less than 2 minutes from this location. Just a great community here. Also, just 15 minutes south of us here is the Highlands Hammock State Park. So if you like biking, hiking, they do have camping there, bird watching, anything like that. You got the beautiful Highlands Hammock State Park just south of us here, about 15 minutes. Again, another 25 minutes southeast of us here, you're going to have the Sebring Raceway. So you do have the 24 hours of Sebring and all kinds of other races going on down there. If you're a big race car fan, that's definitely one place you want to check out. Also, when you hit back out to 27, 1 hour north of us here, about an hour and 15 north of us here, we'll get you right into the Disney World and all the amusement parks. And then you have another hour up 27 to run you right into the international or the Lakeland Linder International Airport. So if you do win this property tonight at auction and you want to fly in outside the state of Florida, kind of come in, take a look at the golf club, the new medical facilities they have down here just up the road a couple minutes. Check out your lot. Check out the Highland Hammock State Park. Go to the Sebring Raceway, see if they have any races going on there, or just check out the whole community here. You definitely want to fly into the Lakeland Linder International Airport. Again, that's just an hour just north of us here, up 27. Again, so now we're at 8024 Marin Street here in Sebring, Florida, in the Sun and Lake Estates community. Let's go ahead and show you the 80 foot across the front. Also, as well, the property, before we show you that, the property it does grade down and grade back up and level off nicely, but we're not going to be able to get back in there. It's just way too overgrown. There's a lot of too much underbrush. And again, we try to get back in there as far as we could, but it does not look good on film when there's trees and vines and everything cutting through. You really can't get the gist of the lay of the land there with how much vines and the undergrowth that's on here. But we got a lot of great drone footage for you, so we'll show you that as well. And you'll see as we drive around here, there's a nice home down at the end that's on a 0.23 of an acre, just like this one. That's a newer home, probably within the last 4 or 5 years. And we'll drive by those and show them to you so you can see what you can actually physically do with this lot. Again, so let's go ahead and show you the 80 foot across the front of your lot, and we'll see you there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we showed you the 80 foot across the front here. As you can see to my left, you definitely got a lot of big pine trees on here, some oak trees, and just a lot of smaller underbrush here. So we're not going to be able to get back into this lot, but it is a level lot. As you see, some of your neighbors will show you this area is definitely a level lot. No flooding needed. You need to worry about any type of flooding on this lot at all. It is high and dry. You do have a paved road right here. You got power just at the end of the street, and you got power 1 block over. We'll show you that, and you can see that in the drone as well. I believe there's a home just catty corner right, or just right behind us here. a little pool home. So we'll show you that as well. Again, we're at 8024 Marin Street, Sebring, Florida, here in Highlands County in the subdivision of Sun and Lake Estates. It's a beautiful golf community here. There's 2 golf courses here. You're closest to the Sun and Lake Golf Club, which is just south of us, just by 5 minutes. This is a 0.23 of an acre, 80 foot across the front and back, 125 foot down either side. Makes it a 10,000 square foot buildable lot. The taxes are outstandingly low at $53.44. That's a night out of dinner right there if you look at it that way. Also, this is a well and septic property. Again, you got a paved road, power in the area. The location on this property is outstanding. Just 5 minutes to the east, you're going to hit US 27. That is your main thoroughfare in the Highlands County that runs north and south. That'll take you right up into the Orlando area. It'll have all your dining, your shopping, your Walmarts, your Costco's, anything you need. Gas stations, everything's just 5 minutes to the 27, and you have that up and down the state or the county of Highlands. Right, just 5 minutes again, right before you hit US 27, you have a brand new medical facility, the Advent Health medical facility up there. Just a beautiful complex. And then you have a lot of smaller medical facilities all around that area there. We'll show you some of that in the B-roll, but that's all new within the last probably 10 to 15 years. So you got a lot of newer medical facilities up there as well. Again, you're just 2 minutes to the Sun and Lake Golf Club. You're just 15 minutes south to the Highlands Hammock State Park. So for all your hiking, biking, bird watching, you're just 15 minutes away. Another 25 minutes southeast of this location will get you to the Sebring Speedway, the Sebring Raceway, where they have the 24 Hours of Sebring, and that's just to the south. So if you're a race car enthusiast, you're definitely going to check that place out. I love going down there for the 24 Hours of Sebring. Again, you're 1 hour north to the Disney amusement parks and the Universal Studio amusement parks just north of us here, about an hour and 15 minutes. And then another hour just north of here, you're going to fly into the Lakeland Linder International Airport. If you want to fly in, if you win this at auction, want to fly in and kind of check out the community, you want to look into the Lakeland Linder International Airport. And that's their closest airport. Just you can be here within an hour of that once you fly in there. Again, we're at 8024 Marin Street, Sebring, Florida here. Beautiful 0.23 of an acre, 10,000 square foot buildable lot in an outstanding community here, and you'll see that as we drive around that this community is definitely up and coming. There's new construction all around. They're building new villas just south of us here, and we'll show you that as well. It's just this community is booming right now. So good luck at the auction, and we'll see you there.